In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI-generated presentations with Canva. First things first, let's begin by opening up your favorite web browser and heading over to the Canva website. If you don't have Canva saved in your bookmarks, you can easily find it by typing canva.com into the address bar. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll notice a wide array of design tools at your disposal. For today's purpose, we'll be focusing on Canva AI, a powerful feature that helps you generate stunning presentations effortlessly. So go ahead and locate the Canva AI option. It's typically easily accessible from the main menu. Next, you'll want to type in the title and give a brief description of what your presentation will be about. Think about the key messages or topics you want to cover, as this will guide the AI in generating relevant content. Once you've detailed your title and presentation description, press the Enter key to progress to the next step. With your information submitted, you'll be prompted to select a style for your presentation. Canva offers a variety of styles that cater to different themes and tones, so take your time to explore and choose a style that best captures the essence of your message. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to click on the Submit button to confirm your choice. After submitting your style, next up is generating your design. You'll see a Generate Design button, so go ahead and click on it. The AI will now work its magic, producing a selection of template designs tailored to your initial input. Review these AI-generated templates and select one that resonates with your vision. Each design comes with unique attributes, so have a look around to find the perfect match. Once you've picked your desired template, click on the presentation you'd like to edit. Canva will provide you with a preview of all slides included in the presentation, giving you a comprehensive overview. If you're satisfied with what you've seen and feel confident about the design, the next step is to click on Use Canva Editor. This option will allow you to further customize and fine-tune your presentation. At this point, you're in full control. Canva Editor is a robust platform that offers a myriad of tools to help you modify your slides to perfection. Check each slide carefully and feel free to adjust, add, or remove content as needed to ensure your message is conveyed clearly and effectively. Whether it's tweaking text, adjusting images, or altering layouts, you have the flexibility to create a presentation that truly stands out. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to use Canva's AI to create a professional and visually appealing presentation. Now you're ready to present your ideas with confidence and style. Happy designing!